Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Bites episode number 9. This is a series in which we find recent articles and report them in a 4 to 5 minute package. I would love it if you could like the video, subscribe, share, and hit that bell icon to be notified of any future videos. I'm super excited, so without further ado, let's get started. This first article comes from Upload VR, a less well-known news site that's focused on VR news. Microsoft has yet another experiment going on, and it's really interesting. They have set up a system where you can walk around the Microsoft campus with a VR headset that will guide you through the campus as if you're in another world. One of the downsides with the VR system is the heavy and bulky backpack PC. As cool as this is, I can't imagine walking around for an extended period of time with this ridiculous setup. And to add insult to injury, the graphics look like they came from the Nintendo 64. So the point I'm trying to make is that this is a really cool product, but it's got a long way to go. The second article comes from Mashable, a digital media website. They reported that GoPro has released a new camera, the Hero 8 Black. There are some pretty cool new features. First is the inbuilt mounting. You can flip the bracket out from the bottom and then mount it wherever you need to go. They've also added HyperSmooth 2.0 for even steadier shots with gimbal-like performance. One of the coolest new features are the new mods. So far, we have the audio mod, light mod, and the display mod. The new GoPro looks pretty compelling, especially because I only have the Hero 5, and I am excited to see the new reviews. The third article comes from Naked Security, a computer security news site. They reported that Google Home and Amazon Alexa have new phishing attacks being targeted on their devices. These repeated attacks are annoying, and over time the people become curious and wind up saying the password to the assistant, not knowing it's fake. While the smart speaker acts normally, it's now eavesdropping on you. And if you have the Nest Hub, not only is it listening to you, but it's also looking at the cameras. This is pretty unsettling. Like, I'm okay with the Apple HomePod just because of their track record on security, because it's excellent. The fourth story comes from Lifehacker, a weblog about life hacks and software. They reported that Disney Plus probably won't work on most Android devices. While it still works on Android flagships, it probably won't work on your grandpa's secondhand blue phone. This happens because of the requirement for the Widevine DRM. The Widevine DRM restricts access to content based on a security level between 1, which is low, and 3, which is high. While most streaming services can run non-4K content with level 1 security, Disney Plus needs level 3 for everything. And that is pretty bad. The fifth article comes from Engadget, a multilingual technology blog. They say that if you were one of the people who pre-ordered the Pixel 4 or the Pixel 4 XL, there's an Easter egg on the box. You see this by pointing your phone at the back of the box with Google Lens. The photo of the Pixel 4 will morph into an animated welcome message. I don't know why this is in the headlines, but it's cool to know. And I like the fact that Google's adding these Easter eggs to their phones. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you watched the entire thing, give yourself a pat on the back. If you just skipped to the end, why not try watching the entire thing? We've got some good articles this time. I would highly appreciate it if you could like the video, comment, or subscribe. And if you do subscribe, make sure you hit the bell icon and click all so you see a video when it comes out. Bye.